Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video and thank you for stopping by. Today's video is about fertility booster, how to boost your fertility naturally with no side effects. If it is something that interests you, keep on watching, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click the subscribe button. It is completely free, and turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos when I upload. If you have any question concerning this topic, just leave a comment below. Your questions will be answered. Without wasting time, let's dive into this video. The first thing you are going to do to boost your fertility naturally is to start taking cover leaf tea. And there are two ways you can make your cover leaf tea. Cover leaf has a lot of health benefits. It will help boost your ovulation. The first method of preparing your cover leaf tea is to get your fresh cover leaves and also get your hidden fruit or briquette. The number of the hidden fruit you are using depends on the quantity of your cover leaves you are as well using. So if you're making your tea that will last for you for 2 days, then get one hidden fruit. But if you are using enough cover leaves for your tea, then get like 2 to 3 hidden fruit. Cut your hidden fruit into pieces, then rinse it very well. You also rinse your cover leaves. After that, you add water and boil. After boiling, you sieve it and you'll be taking 1 cup before breakfast and 1 cup before bedtime. This tea should be taken warm. It will help boost your fertility, and it should be taken during your menstruation. Then after your menstruation, what you do next is to get 7 fingers of okra. Cut your okra into pieces and soak it in a plastic jar overnight. You can store it in your refrigerator. Then the next morning, you will start drinking it after your menstruation. Take it for 3 days. You will take 1 cup in the morning and 1 cup before bedtime. You will take it for 3 days. Then during your ovulation, you start chewing seed of garantula. During your ovulation, you start chewing few seed of garantula, and please be ready to have more sexual intercourse. This recipe will make you to be in the mood. Remember, garantula seed will not only boost your ovulation, it will help tackle some issues like dry vagina, painful sex, painful menstruation, and low libido, that is low sex drive. And also, garantula seed are very good for men. It helps tackles weak erection, premature ejaculation, low sex drive, and low sperm count. If you don't have garantula seed, you can use your clove seed. You chew like 1 to 2 clove seed per day. Chew like 1 to 3 clove seed per day. Clove seed will help boost your ovulation, and it has a lot of health benefit. If you follow this method, this procedure, what you are looking for, you will see it. This recipe is very effective. So the first thing you do is to take your cover leaf tea during your menstruation. After your menstruation, you go in with your okra water. Then during your ovulation, you start chewing your garantula seed or cloves seed. This tea will help you a lot. So guys, that's the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and remember to give this video a thumbs up. That is the free way to support me, and comment on the comment below. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones that is in need of fertility booster.